In this video, I want to show you how you can actually use ChatGPT to prepare at a level where PMP exam becomes extremely difficult. Now, this can work both with a free ChatGPT or a paid one. But if you have a paid one, which I had, it will work amazing for you. Now, what you need to do, you just need to go to your ChatGPT, okay? And you see I have been playing it from a like I spent last 2 hours setting the frame of that. So if anyone who's watching they want, let me know. I will just share this page that has already been prepared for you. I'll give you this link, you will paste that link, and you can exactly start from there. Okay, so you will be able to use my mindset that I have done it. Okay, and so let's say you are here, you are using that. Give me team topic question at the same exam level difficulty or more of a conflict management. Okay, your move. Reply with just one letter. Now, it has given me the question and it is rating it as examiner grade 1. Two senior developers on agile team disagree to the technical approach for a critical feature. The disagreement is becoming visible to the rest of the team, but delivery has not yet been impacted. Both developers have a valid argument. What should the project manager do? Right? Now, both are encouraging the developer to compromise to maintain harmony, maybe not. Facilitate a discussion to help the team reach a shared understanding. Ask the product owner, allow the team to continue. Put in the comment box, what do you think should be the right answer for this question? What do you think is the right answer? Right? Use elimination technique. I'm gonna say instead of 5 questions, let's do one by one. I would recommend you do the same thing because instead of 5 questions, one by one, you can put more focus onto that. Okay, so this is the same question. To experienced team member disagree strongly on the approach to implement a high risk component. Both approaches, but has implication. The discussion is tense and starting to affect collaboration, although no impact has. The question is, what should we do first? Ask the team to vote, facilitate, escalate. Okay, so maybe be as it is. By the way, you can also speak if you don't want to write here. Oh, he's wrong. I felt the PMI pool were but weren't compelled. Now let's respond as an examiner, not as a coach. Both approaches meet the technical requirement and no impact. Read the silent things. This is not a problem. No schedule. Allow the disagree while monitoring team performance. Okay. Now I disagree. It gives me such a beautiful explanation what is happening, what is not happening. Potential risk versus impact. No impact was there, no milestone, no violation. Okay. So project manager does not have. Where the original question was weak, your intuition caught it. Okay. Okay. So read it. I'm not gonna read it the entire thing. By the way, the entire discussion I am doing with it, I will give you in the link. Just go with the description. No, and do subscribe it, guys. I'm doing these things for you. Okay. Okay. Let's give me more hard question on team topic. So for those people who go to YouTube, get the question, type their questions. If you do spend like 1 hour with this, like one topic, I would even recommend what to do. Go to PMP exam 2025 ECO. Where is the ECO? Yeah. Be careful, don't use the 2026. You can use that, it's the same actually. Okay. But this ECO, you put this domain, right? You can actually copy this. First, let's solve this one. Allow the team to resolve coordination, facilitate, inform, assign. A cross-functional team includes members from two departments. Recently, coordination resulting in rework. Team member acknowledge but insist they can do independently, is unaware of the situation. Allow the team to resolve coordination issue independently. Okay, facilitate. I would say let's go with A. Look, independent, even intention. Okay, so I'm gonna disagree. Okay, this is level one conflict, and at this level, team should do it themselves. Conflict has not reached level two, and they should not take part. PM, PM should not take. So this is a beauty of Chat GPT, where you may need also a coach help. He immediately changed the question. I identified its flaw, and he said that to delay any justification, he changed his question now. Okay, a cross-functional team, and now to justify their answer, or just it works into that. But just play with it; it will help you into that. Okay, let's use. So use this domain from ECO and make question like that. Okay, so if you're running out of time, by the way, just eliminate this portion, escalate, and D probably eliminated. If you're running out of time, what should the project manager do next? During an agile project, two team members disagree on how to implement the component. The disagreement is limited to the technical discussion and has not affected delivery. Both individuals have expressed willingness to adjust based on the evidence. Okay, and has not affected quality of time. What should that? Encourage to resolve disagreement independently, facilitate a structured discussion to reconcile approaches. Okay, so how to implement a component. Limited to technical discussion and has not affected anything. Discussion to reconcile the different approaches. Encourage to resolve the escalate. So it's not either it's A or B. Okay, so use my 7-step formula and justify each options. So conflict is identified, team topic. Conflict stage is early. Okay, this is level one conflict. Identify impact. Identify your boundaries, where you are. Identify PMI preferences. Self-resolution, escalation. Okay, so automatically the question become that let them solve the question. Okay, so you can use this with multiple other way, and I'm gonna put this link for you guys that you can play with it. But don't be too dependent on it. Use it for your preparation. It can help you wherever you get a conceptual issue. Feel free to put comments, ask question. That's why we have WhatsApp group. That's why we do, even if you are not our student, weekly 2 question answer session, so that we can help you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, feel free to like it, comment it, and put something in that. And if you have not subscribed it, please do that.